The Dow closed at a record thanks to a big move higher by Wal-Mart. And that's where we begin tonight. Wal-Mart wants to cement its title as the world's largest retailer. The company is forecasting huge growth in its online sales, and it predicts it will happen in just a few years' time. At its annual investor day, the big box retailer outlined plans to invest a lot of money in its digital operations, a move that pits Walmart directly against Amazon in the race to win shopper dollars. That, along with a $20 billion share buyback, sent shares up about 4.5% in heavy volume to a 2-year high. Courtney Reagan takes a look at Walmart's big plans for the future.
Walmart is making a prediction you rarely hear in retail. It's forecasting growth for earnings and sales, including 40% online sales growth in the U.S. next year. Executives spoke to analysts in its hometown of Bentonville, Arkansas, explaining that progress has been made to fix the fundamentals, but there is still some runway to go. And the crux of Walmart's plan uses its stores and online business together. The retailer says consumers that shop both in its stores and on its website spend twice as much as those who buy only in store.
We must make sure that we're doing what's necessary to earn customers' business. Growth in comp stores and through e-commerce is a real priority for this company.
While Walmart's online sales are growing rapidly, it's starting from a relatively small base compared to sales in its stores. And growing the digital business has been costly.
When you're building out an online business, you're building a second business. And at some point in time, you're going to start to see those two businesses converge, and you'll be able to shake expenses out of the system. And I think Walmart's in the early stages of that.
Walmart is already the country's largest grocer, and food accounts for more than half of its total sales. By the end of next year, it will double the number of stores offering online grocery ordering with store pickup, a major part of its plan to get new shopper dollars.
If you can offer fresh produce, consumables at the very best prices with a really good experience, whether it be pickup or delivery, then you have a good chance to build a long-standing relationship that you can then leverage to sell the rest of general merchandise.
Walmart isn't the only retailer eyeing grocery as the way to shoppers' loyalty. Amazon is as well, with its recent purchase of Whole Foods.
Groceries is such a small percentage of that is online, so I think it's a category that I think it's ripe for disruption in the space. And who better to do that than Amazon?
Beyond grocery, most analysts and shoppers agree that Walmart has improved both the stores and the website in recent years, but that doesn't mean the work is done, especially as consumers' choices only grow. Amazon continues to reshape retail, and the all-important holiday season is just around the corner. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Courtney Reagan.